BYDFi is a crypto exchange on desktop and mobile where you can spot trade, futures trade, use leverage tokens, and copy the trades of top traders. If you sign up with the link in the description, you get a free $100 when you deposit $100. There's hundreds of crypto available on their spot exchange, as well as a free test account so you can practice futures trading without getting wrecked. BYDFi. Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a quick look at these charts on a Friday morning. It's a strike day over here as well, so I've got the kids. I know, bloody schools in the UK. I don't know what the problem is. All right, I don't know what the problem is. You get plenty of holidays. You got a 6-week holiday planned, teachers. In 2 weeks from now. Come on now, relax. Just look forward to that. Right, let's have a look. This is the euro again, still within this descending trend formation. It's more bullish than it's bearish. To be fair, trend lines like this are often more bullish than bearish. We can extend this now if you so desire. We can have a look at it's like a falling wedge formation. Now we've got the 200 simple moving average crossing back into the formation, so it adds more weight to this lower area. So if we do come down, and again we may, and we probably will, then this would be an opportunity for me to try a long position. Even on a Friday, I'll try it. So yesterday we got sucked right back up to the top and rejected all the way from the top, and probably going to fall down to the bottom, I would say. So that would likely mean downside for all other markets, because we know that that's how things behave. The euro is a good indicator of all other markets. Let's have a look at not silver, but gold. Gold's still hanging around at these lower zones. No pump signal, no nothing like that. But I'm still hopeful that we're scraping out some kind of a low around this 1850 to 1900 area. S&P having a little bit of a pullback now. This is S&P Futures on the 4-hourly. Probably looking for this to get picked up pretty soon, to be honest with you. I'm not massively bearish on stocks, not yet. The trend will come to an end, but for the moment, we're still looking okay. A larger pullback might bring us to a 10 exponential, which is currently sitting around 4,330.40 thereabouts. Bitcoin dominance. Let's have a look at you then. So Bitcoin dominance getting picked up around the Bollinger Band Center, which is fine. So still further upside as far as I can see on the daily for dominance chart. Let's have a look at the total 2 then. Total 2 on the daily, rejection on the death cross here, and so far just getting pulled back even further. So this is why I stressed, and I continue to stress, why it's so important for Ethereum to break 2,000, because it's when it's above 2,000, and only really when it's above 2,000 can it build a bullish base to start to rock it. We're still not bearish. On this daily, we've got the pump signal. All these lower zones are areas of opportunity to pick it up from, and you can think about other altcoins through a lens of Ethereum health, right? So we had our golden cross retest over here, a second retest over here. So low, high, higher, low, and we should be looking for a new high given everything we see on here. But for the moment, we're still not broken that $2,000 zone. So without the $2,000 break, we can't really get massively bullish on the total market cap too, which is what we're waiting for. Now, Bitcoin looking slightly better than that, ever so slightly better. Picked up on a 21 exponential over here. Still with the pump signal in play. Everything's still looking good as far as trend is concerned. Yeah, it's still cooling off, which is fine. We'll take it down to a 4-hourly. And the 4-hourly has just had another retest of the trend line. The RSI breakout. We had this sort of formation over here as well. So we had a resistance, which we broke. And we tested it a couple of times and then we rallied. And obviously we dumped after that. So this time we broke out of it, we rallied, we've retested it. I'll be looking for this one to get picked up. Probably around this $29,000 zone if we lose this area now. We are trending down ever so slightly. No short signal or anything like that on the 4-hourly. So it is basically just trending down at this point now. Be looking to pick it up if anywhere between 29,100, maybe 28,400. So, and again, it's the same as yesterday. If we start to lose these areas, it's just incremental drops down by $1,000 a turn. It's not the end of the world. We're not going to collapse into our own shadow. It's not a big deal, to be honest with you. Just check the weekly to see what's going on these weekly supports. Sorry, I'm rushing because I've got 2 kids and a third one is going to be arriving shortly as well, I know. So the 10 exponential sitting around, the 28,500-ish area. So mega support really around 28,500. If it does come down to there, that is a very strong level of support. And second to that, well, there we go. Another incremental drop of $1,000 down to 27,500, give or take, which is where your 20 weekly is. So look, I know that this seems bad, but we've been talking about the most likely continuation of this trend is it's most likely going to continue. Everything points for continuation. However, the euro, it's still in that formation. It trends down until it breaks out, so that's what we're kind of waiting for. And yeah, we look at things on dailies and weeklies and 4 hourlies, which can be testing. So just the same as yesterday, just the same as the week before. Bullish on altcoins when Ethereum breaks 2,000. Super bullish on altcoins at that point. Until then, it's just an accumulation game, really. Same thing with Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, really, for further upside, trending into the mid to upper 30,000s sooner rather than later. But until then, it's going to be scraping these areas, and any opportunity to pick it up at the lower zones, which again is incremental drops by $1,000, that's the place to do it. Anyway, I am going to leave with you there. I hope you have a nice day and a good weekend. And if you want to join me on the live stream, feel free to join the Patreon in the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.